Hi, I'm the Smoking Elk, and today we are cooking wings and a hell of a lot of... Hi, I'm the Smoking Elk, and today we are cooking wings and a hell of a lot of wings. Today I'm cooking up a huge amount of wings. You're probably wondering why they're in this plastic tub, because there's 5 kilos of wings here. Now, to cook 5 kilos of wings, you need a lot of real estate on your barbecue. I'm going to be using the Masterbuilt 800 because it has plenty of room on those grill grates here. But also, with wings, sometimes you're going to cook them indirect and then you're going to finish them off direct. Sometimes you're going to cook them direct. Sometimes you're going to do them indirect all the way. With these, we're going to do them kind of indirect, so we're going to get some smoke on there. Got some apple smoke that I'm going to put into the Masterbuilt. So I've already lit this and I've got it running at around about 270, 280 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 135, 140 Celsius. So we're going to get the best of both worlds. We're going to get this apple smoke on these wings. We're going to bring them nicely up to temperature. When they hit around 70 to 73 degrees Celsius with that smoke, we're then going to crank up the Masterbuilt. So we're just going to turn the dial. It's so easy. We're going to turn that dial up to around about 250 Celsius, which is about 500 Fahrenheit. That's going to enable us to crisp up that skin, give us that lovely, beautiful, crispy skin, juicy chicken, and then we're going to finish them off by applying a lovely barbecue glaze as well. So today, I'm using this Florida Cuban Mojo rub from Firefly Barbecue. I've got this lovely sweet and citrusy yuzu ponzo barbecue sauce that we're going to glaze on at the end. So first things first, the reason I've got a giant tub like this is because we want to get the rub on, shake it all about in that tub, make sure that rub is all over that chicken, and then we're going to stick them in and introduce them to some smoke. And there we are, my mountain of chicken wings. Remember, I've got 5 kilos of chicken wings here. Needed a barbecue that could accommodate all of this, and the Masterbuilt 800 has done an admirable job. We've smoked them first, brought them up to temperature, and then we've cranked up the temperature of the Masterbuilt and started flipping them, building up that crispy skin. And then we've obviously put the sauce on there, started glazing that sauce on there, and these have got lovely char, they've got lovely crispy skin. That sauce is tacked on there absolutely beautifully. So, Masterbuilt 800 chicken wings, match made in heaven. These look amazing. I'm going to go and eat as many as I can. I don't think there's a limit on chicken wings how many you can eat, but I'm going to put that to the test. I've dropped one on the floor, so I'm not going to eat that one. I'm the Smoking Elk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.